Yeah, for sure. Last week, we had an opportunity to, when we played Sac twice in Golden State, and we, didn't capitalize on those. And, you see, kind of how things can change so quick that, I think everybody, especially from that Atlanta game the other night, you could tell everybody was locked in on one goal, and that was winning. And the way we do that is, playing the game the right way. So, I think that, the intensity's ratcheting it up and kind of in that mindset of, must win.
How do you mitigate that kind of like inconsistency across the board? Like one game you guys might blow somebody out, and the next game is kind of like the up and down. Like as you get closer to this like play-in situation.
Yeah, I mean it's tough. It's the NBA. There's a lot of really good teams that do a lot of different things on a night-to-night basis. So if you do one thing one night really good, then the next team say defends what you did really well that night, you got to change. But that's just the beauty of the game. So you just got to be able to change on the fly and read games and situations and win tough games. When you don't play your best basketball, you got to figure out ways to scrap out.
Nah, he's doing his individual process. It's still ongoing, but it's ongoing in a really positive way.
How about
Same
Cam?
for Gam, though. Same for Van, though. Cam was able to participate today, and we foresee him playing on Friday.